How familiar are you with the refreshing herb known as lemon balm? This amazing plant, native to southern Europe and the Mediterranean region, is celebrated far and wide for its delightful citrusy aroma and its esteemed place in traditional medicine. Its refreshing scent and taste are just the tip of the iceberg. Lemon balm has been a cornerstone in herbal remedies for centuries, spanning across cultures and generations. So, what makes lemon balm such a coveted herb in the wellness world? Let's delve into its numerous health benefits. Lemon balm isn't just a pretty plant with a pleasant aroma. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Imagine a herb that can calm your nerves, improve your sleep, and even enhance your mood. That's lemon balm for you. It's known for its calming properties, helping to reduce stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation, and giving you a sense of peace. Sleep deprivation is a common issue, but did you know that a simple cup of lemon balm tea can aid in insomnia and promote peaceful sleep? It's like a lullaby in a cup. Then there's the mood-boosting properties of lemon balm. It's like sunshine in plant form, uplifting the spirits and promoting a positive outlook. But the benefits don't stop there. Lemon balm also supports digestive health, easing indigestion, bloating, and stomach discomfort. It's like a caring friend for your gut. And let's not forget about its antioxidant power. Lemon balm is rich in antioxidants, protecting your body from oxidative stress and free radicals. It's like a shield against invisible enemies. Enhance your cognitive function and memory with lemon balm, which may improve focus and mental clarity. It's like a brain booster in leaf form. For skincare, applying lemon balm topically soothes irritations, reduces redness, and promotes healthy skin. It's like a spa treatment from nature. Boost your immune system with lemon balm, as it helps defend against infections and seasonal illnesses. It's like a health warrior in your corner. And if you're suffering from headaches, lemon balm tea or essential oil can provide relief, offering a natural remedy. It's like a gentle hand easing your pain. Finally, reduce inflammation in your body with lemon balm, which may help alleviate joint pain and swelling. It's like a soothing balm for your aches. As you can see, this humble herb is a treasure trove of wellness benefits. Now that you know the wonders of lemon balm, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your daily life. Consider adding it to your meals, perhaps a sprig in your salad or a sprinkle in your soup. Sipping on lemon balm tea can be a calming ritual before bed. For skincare enthusiasts, a DIY lemon balm mask can be a refreshing treat. And who could resist a moment of aromatherapy with lemon balm essential oil? Remember, with lemon balm, a little goes a long way. Start small and enjoy the refreshing journey to wellness. As we've discovered, lemon balm is more than just a fragrant herb. Its soothing aroma and vibrant green leaves hide a treasure trove of health benefits. From promoting calm and relaxation, enhancing mood, aiding digestion, to boosting cognitive function and supporting immune health, lemon balm truly is nature's refreshing elixir. Whether you're enjoying it as a tea, applying it topically, or incorporating it into your meals, the potential uses are limitless. So next time you're looking for a natural way to boost your health, remember the versatile and refreshing lemon balm.